Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back to this Trading Week's journal. We did take an L today. We took two setups, well, two trades, same setup. And it's actually a little annoying because we literally got, it could have been simply just break even. But you know, we learn and we go. It's gonna be a pretty short video because I'm a little bit annoyed. Gold has just been so fucking shit this week. I literally Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, not a setup formed. Today traded, took a L when it could have been break even. I won't trade tomorrow. I'll be back Monday. But essentially, we flip back to bullish. We do have two breaks right here. So here's higher time frame break 1, higher time frame break 2. Price is pretty much tapped into this order block and it's coming back up. From there, 1 hour doesn't really quite show anything. So I jumped down to the 15 minute. 15 minute, as you can see, it does have this break right here. So I was using this extreme order block here and I was looking for a reaction off of there. Now, the cleanest setup happened here. We have break number 1 right at 5 o'clock, so right at the maximum fractal time for us. Liquidity grabs from all these higher lows and the swing low, but no PA level. PA level would have been here. Stop loss doesn't make sense there. Stop loss. Gold has been so volatile lately that it's like, depending on how the markets go for the next couple of weeks, like we might have to adjust our stop loss like maximum like 100 or like 80. 100 seems a bit extreme, but like 80, something like that. Now the other reason why this trade isn't super probable is because liquidity was grabbed before 6:30. This is not the worst, it's at 6:20. Yeah, but again, PA level didn't make sense. So what happens next? We have our second break in our favor here. Liquidity at this higher low point and at the swing as well, of course. Liquidity was never grabbed, so now we have our third break. So at this point in time, I do have to be careful on the pullback. If it has two breaks on the pullback, I have to reset. Here's another break, and then we have our fourth break. So we literally broke like 4 times to the upside. So these, at this point, again, I'm just watching out for the pullback. And this is pretty much a continuation setup now, in which case we just need liquidity and a PA level. So eventually price did grab liquidity from here, and we have our PA level formed right there. Now, as you can see, this candle here triggered my order limit and immediately went to stop me out. I did 50. And I'll show you the 1 minute EMA. It was this freaking candle right here. So I think for the future, what I'm going to note is when the 1 minute EMA is more so in like a consolidation fashion, I would prefer to either see a 1 minute candle close above the price action level and the PA level, just like this candle right here, or just simply a 5 minute candle close, right? I think when the EMAs are more so like this, I don't know if you guys can see that, but when it's more like in a trending fashion, I'd be more open to doing the order limit. Now, because I got stopped out and this order or the setup is still very much valid, I've seen some volume coming in from bulls. I did re-enter off of this candle right here. So I got in right here. Now, this re-entry, It's not the best because my stop loss does not really cover any specific structure. It's like barely there. I need like another 5 ticks. But we did reach a 1-to-1, so I went to break even. Now for the first setup, for this second setup here, I went to break even a little bit sooner because it was the second time I was entering, and then I adjusted it, bringing it back down because we were really volatile. But eventually after this candle, I did fully just let it go to break even, which I'm glad I did. So overall, we only ended losing 1% today. Again, I think today, obviously I was following this as well. Price action, this and this, and stop loss covers under 70, full stop loss. So yeah, I think just that 1 minute EMA is a little bit annoying. Consolidation factor. So again, I'd like to see more of like a trend like this, and I'd be more open to the order limit. But yeah, so I won't be trading tomorrow. I'm not really interested in trading Fridays anymore. This month has been rough, man. It's just been up and down this whole time. Like you can see, I pretty much have 6 losses, 5 wins, 1 break even, 1 miss. If I took this, then it would have been 6 wins, but that pretty much just puts it at break even. It's so weird and annoying because like every time I'm like 1 trade away from passing these evals, I go right back to like taking a loss, which is annoying. So I'm a little concerned as to what my performance will look like when I'm actually funded. Every time this happens, it's like, man, like what's the longevity in this, right? Like how long can I actually do this for? I'm just going back and forth, and it's like even when I'm funded, back and forth, so I'm like not making any money. So I don't know. I would say it's definitely getting to me a little bit right now. Now the nice thing to note is, again, I've only spent not even a full year with this strategy, and I've progressed more than I have ever. Like I've never seen this many consistent wins. So, and it hasn't even been a year yet with this strategy, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. We'll be back on Monday.